The best tacos al pastor ever. Make it nice. Unbelievable. And look at that. That's the one. And that is what is making the difference. Fresh handmade tortilla. And look this beauty. Beautiful pork beef under the shawarma. That's it. The best tacos al pastor ever. The origin of the tacos al pastor come from a Lebanese immigrant that in 1930 moved from the Ottoman Empire for different reasons. Very nice. This beautiful immigrant bring with him the shawarma concept. The use of the trompo derived from the shawarma method. That means the roasted lamb or chicken or veal, the vertical pit on pita bread or Arabic bread. During the 1930s, a Lebanese immigrant opened their own restaurant in Mexico serving this Middle East special dish. At that time, and still is called taco árabe. Lamb and pita bread or Arabic bread. And taco árabe is still popular in Mexico, but after the son of one of the migrants in 1960 opened another restaurant in Puebla and made a twist of these shawarma tacos that became extremely popular. He modified the lamb in pork. The flour tortilla became corn tortilla, and from there born the tacos al pastor. When was introduced the pineapple is something that we don't know actually. Ingredient for this beautiful recipe. Very nice. The baby. Pork shoulder. 7.5 kilo of beautiful pork shoulder. We use that because it's a beautiful combination of meat and fat that keep your tacos extremely juicy. Massage. Important ingredient apart the pork shoulder is that. Yeah? Achiote or annato, how they call it. This is in paste. You can buy the fresh one. Achiote, 250 gram in paste. 12 peeled garlic cloves. 1 spoon of ground pepper. 1 spoon of Mexican oregano. Don't use the Italian one. It's completely a different flavor. Cumin seed. Another spoon. Cloves. I will say 5 or 6. 2 cinnamon stick and the babies. Chile guajillo, we use 15 pieces. Amazing flavor. Soak in water before you use. Chile morita, we will use 7 pieces. And our beautiful chipotle. I will use just 1 for the smoky flavor, nothing else. Not necessary, but I love it. Powdered chicken stock. 1 spoon, pineapple juice 250 ml, and orange juice, if you wanna use the fresh one, much better, 200 ml. Apple cider vinegar 50 ml. 2 onion, and don't forget your baby. Boom! Pork shoulder, 7.5 kilo. Very nice. And what we do? We just put all the ingredients in the blender until a fine liquid paste. This kind of mix is called in Mexico recado. Recado rojo. normally red ricado, that is just a red marination. We massage our meat and we keep it in the fridge overnight. Remember the chili? We soak it in the lukewarm water till are soft. We can easily remove the seed and ready to be blended with the rest. You see that? This is what you want, yeah? Smooth paste of achiote. Now, we take our pork shoulder, we cut it in steak, let's say like that, we smash it a little bit and we start the massage. Time for massage. Very nice. And to build our trompo we need a big onion. We will put it at the end of our trompo after we start with the meat, our beautiful meat. I will show you before. We chop in this case some extra onion that we will put in the middle of the layer and we end up with a pineapple. And when our trompo is ready, we go on fire. Al pastor, the best tacos ever. Time to introduce our trompo on our shawarma machine, ready to go. Tacos al pastor. Hey, yeah, but you need to watch. And make it nice. And there is no tacos without a good tortilla. Made in Mexico. For the tortillas, we will need, of course, our tortilla press, our beautiful flour, maseca, and of course, water. Tortillero, to keep our tortilla warm, a comal. What the Mexican call comal, that is not else than a pancake pan. Of course, I bought everything in Amazon. I will put the link in bio. Simple recipe, I will do it by heart, but I will put the recipe in bio. I already did 2-3 video about tacos where you can find all the information anyway. And we start in a bowl, normal bowl with flour. We slowly add our water till consistency, I will show you, and that's it. You can let it rest the dough 30 minutes before you use. After we create the balls, every ball will be 30 grams, no more for a perfect tacos. And this is what we want. You see? This consistency, soft but not sticky anymore, ready to be rolled in ball of 30 grams. That's it. 30 gram ball ready to be pressed. In the meantime, we do our ball. Please put your comal on the fire. Need to be extremely hot. And that's it. And look at that. Remember your comal extremely hot before you start. The tortilla need to blow. Okay, what we do? We have our press, we open. I use plastic, but you can use baking paper. Our bowl on top, press a little bit. Another paper or baking paper on top, close, press, open again, and that it is. Yeah? A perfect one. And time to test our beauty. We take our tortilla. Look at that. That it is fresh homemade tortillas. One tortilla, that's our beef. Recently come from the shawarma machine. On it, fresh chopped onion, coriander, squeeze of lime, our salsa borracha that I did already in our video of the birria. You can check the link in bio. And that's it. The best tacos ever. That's the one, man. Look at that. Amazing, juicy, fresh, a little bit spicy, unbelievable, homemade, super fresh tacos al pastor. Another history. And that's what is making the difference. You see this? The best tacos al pastor ever. Homemade. Very nice.
Arriba, arriba, handali!